Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to delve into a new topic called mixture of experts in large language models. So, what would happen before is that one huge, massive model would answer every type of question, would retrieve the information of each kind of prompt that you offer to it. These would be huge models, as we can say large language models. Okay? And the problem was that for each prompt, every billion parameter that the model had to work out. That would become too energy inefficient. Okay? And the second problem was that if you ask that huge large language model a question that would merge up or convert some irradical ideas which have no connection, it would baffle up. For example, you ask it write a Python script for a historical fiction story. So these are two broad things that AI in its weight and biases, forgot me for the terminology, has in way distant environments, and to make them integrate would take a lot of memory, lot of processing. Eventually the AI will baffle up. So now what the engineers have devised is mixture of experts. Okay, the mixture of experts is small individualized specified large language models that are not too large but are specifically expert in one of the fields, one of the domains. For example, one is expert in code, one is expert in history, one is expert in creative writing, and one is expert in some fancy novel ideas. Okay, and between each of these experts is a gatekeeper, a router, which when a prompt comes delegates each task to the expert and retrieve the answer from it and combine it to form the final answer. Okay, so if this query write a Python script for a historical fiction story would go to mixture of experts, the gatekeeper here, this one, would delegate the Python script task to this code expert and the historical fiction story task to this history expert. They both will work out in their specific domain knowledge, would give the best of each one, and then this guy would combine it and let the user take the fruit of both of the trees. So to conclude, today we learned about how the architecture of AI is now shifting from having godlike AI models which are too huge and too energy inefficient to having specific experts which work like a team, have their boss, a gatekeeper, who delegates them the task and consequently give the user the answers which are both relevant, validated and verified in each of the domain he has put the AI in test of. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.